Hi, welcome to Quest for Red. This video was inspired by a reaction to my nails, one that I'm sure you can all relate to. Ooh, I like your nails. Oh, thank you. I did them myself. Oh, I wish I had time to do my nails. Okay. So we can make time to watch a movie, we can make time to play with our kids, we can make time to take care of our animals, we can make time to fix something to eat, we can make time to do things we want to do. So, how long does it take to really do a manicure? It really depends on how much we're doing, as we know. So I want to see how long it really took me to do a quick, down and dirty, but still, pretty manicure. So, I'm doing coat number 1 of Salsa from Clean Color. And Clean Color is the brand I use for all the color in this video. So that's just what I grabbed out of the Homer. Just the way it turned out. And it's a really pretty opaque in 2 coats. Kind of like a rose, I guess like a rose gold. Somewhat metallic. Really rather pretty. I think this is the first time I've used it. So, yay! And let's see here. Oh yeah, you'll end up seeing in a couple of these shots really well that I'm still stained blue from my previous polish. So, yay. Always figure that happens. Alright, now we're going to do some flowers. I'm going to use a dotting tool. The blue is metallic aqua in the orangey, goldy kind of color that I'm doing for the centers is called metallic mango. Yeah, in real life, the metallic mango really is a really pretty kind of burnt orange metallic color. It's really nice. And I'm doing my best to make 5 petal flowers. Oh, the numbers you saw on top of my bottles is from my own inventory method. Basically, as each color comes in, I give them a number, I sign it, and I have it in a database. So, which I've done a video on that, which I need to really redo because I was not well planned at all on that. But it's a really nice system, I think. Alright, top coat is out the door. I don't really have much of a fridge to speak of on my ring finger on that hand, so didn't cap that guy. Flooded. Ooh, I remember to cap all those. I'm very hit or miss on that. Not capping at all. Oh, there I go. Well, I kept one. Okay, so that was 13 minutes, 10 seconds. Writing that down. So really, inside of 15 minutes, inside of a standard break at work,